Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the dash brightness on your Citroen C3. It's a little bit confusing. This is a 2021 model. So not only can we change the brightness here, we can also change the brightness on the touchscreen. But the touchscreen has its own settings to change that. But let's say now if you just wanted to control it all via the dash lights here. So when these go dim, this will also go dim. Well, we can do that. Not in the daytime. If your lights are off in the daytime, then pressing these buttons here, these plus and minus buttons, will not do anything. So you can see I'm pressing them now and nothing's changing. But if we turn on this here, the lights are on now, we will have a range from 0 to 16. So right now it's actually quite dim, it's hard to see. So let me just put it all the way up. And you can see now it's climbing and we've got to 16 here. So right now that's brightness 16, but you can see we can go down and it's getting dimmer as we do that. As we do that, it is also, just put it back up, as we do that, it's also dimming the touchscreen. So if you have a look at the touchscreen, I'm pressing the buttons now and you can see that I'm changing the brightness now. So this is like the master control, but we can also do the touchscreen as well. So if I was to put this on the brightest one here, so that's 16 now, that's the brightest there. But let's say if you wanted the touchscreen dimmer, then we can go into settings and we can go to brightness. And right now we can change this here, but this won't control this here. This is still as bright. This will still be on 16 here. That's still 16 there. But can you see we've dimmed it a little bit here? Likewise, if you turn the lights off, you can adjust this in the daytime. So you can have it max and you can put it down to here or anything in between, but it's not going to affect the lights on here at night. Hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching.